In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart on Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by logging in. Go ahead and navigate to the Monday.com homepage, where you'll sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which displays all of your project boards. Next, you need to select the board for the specific project where you want to add the Gantt chart. This board should contain all the relevant data that you'd like to visualize. Simply click on that project board to open it, and you're ready to move on. Now, let's add a new view. To do this, look for the plus icon at the top of your board. You should find this next to Main Table or the other views that might be already set up. Clicking on that plus icon will open a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu of visualization options, choose the Gantt chart option. This selection will automatically generate a Gantt chart based on the data you've already entered in your board. It's a great way to see your tasks and timelines visually represented, which can be incredibly helpful for tracking project progress. After the Gantt chart appears, it's time to configure and customize it to better fit your project needs. One of the first things you can do is adjust dates. You can easily do this by clicking and dragging the bars directly within the chart. This allows you to change the start and end dates of your tasks just by moving the bars around to the desired positions. It's a smooth and intuitive process that ensures your project timeline accurately reflects your scheduling. Another important feature is setting dependencies. This is where you can show that certain tasks must be completed before others can begin. By linking tasks together, you create a more coherent workflow that highlights the critical points in your project. To set dependencies, you can often just drag from one task to the relevant next task, making clear which tasks are interconnected. Finally, make sure to assign tasks. It's crucial that team members are assigned to specific bars on the Gantt chart. This ensures that everyone knows their responsibilities and what's expected of them as the project progresses. You can usually do this by clicking on the taskbar and selecting team members from a drop-down menu that appears, or dragging their names onto the appropriate tasks. Once you've done all this, you should have a comprehensive Gantt chart that not only outlines your project timeline, but also clarifies roles and dependencies between tasks. By following these steps, you'll have created an effective Gantt chart on Monday.com that can greatly enhance your project management experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.